Advanced Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meanings. Part 7. Subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Fragile, adjective.
नाजुक, आसानी से टूट जाना.
Example, fragile items such as glass and china. 2. Susceptible, adjective.
मुतासिर होने वाला, हसास.
Example, patients with liver disease may be susceptible to infection. 3. Slump, verb.
गिरावट अंबार कीमतों का कायक गिर जाना.
Example, she slumped against the cushions. 4. Mitigate, verb.
असल से कम का अंदाजा लगाना, तख्फीफ करना.
Example, drainage schemes have helped to mitigate this problem. 5. Perpetual, adjective.
लगातार, दायमी, मुसलसल.
Example, deep caves in perpetual darkness. 6. Turmoil, noun.
हंगामा, हलचल, अफरा-तफरी.
Example, the country was in turmoil. 7. Sporadic, adjective.
कभी कभार वक्तन फ़ौक़तना, इक्का-दुक्का.
Example, sporadic fighting broke out. 8. Solidarity, noun.
यकजहती.
Example, factory workers voiced solidarity with the striking students. 9. Impetus, noun.
मुहर्रिक, कुव्वत, बहा.
Example, hit the booster coil before the flywheel loses all its impetus. 10. Assault, verb.
हमला, चढ़ाई, ज़िना बिलजब.
Example, he pleaded guilty to assaulting a police officer. Subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.